With a burst of tropical fruit combined with creamy filling, this Hawaiian fruit salad is always a huge hit at family get-togethers, picnics, potlucks, and backyard barbecues. Not to mention on those busy weeknights when time is of the essence. This salad is so quick and easy it comes together in less than 10 minutes. These tropical fruit flavors with a creamy texture creates a refreshing dish that complements any meal beautifully. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. I'm so glad you're here. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You will need one big can, about 30 ounces, of fruit cocktail, 2 smaller cans of pineapple tidbits or chunks, a large 30-ounce can of mandarin oranges. Now all of these need to be well drained or your salad will be soggy. I cut some red seedless grapes I had on hand in half and added those. Stir lightly until well incorporated. This is also a good time that you could add some fresh sliced strawberries, blueberries, or whatever else you might have on hand. In a separate bowl, add a 16-ounce tub of whipped topping and a small box of orange Jell-O. If you're using strawberries, consider switching out for strawberry Jell-O. Mix well until well incorporated. It won't take long for this Jell-O to dissolve. Add that whipped topping mixture to your bowl of fruit. Scrape your bowl good. You don't want to leave any of that goodness behind. And now gently give it all a good stir. Make sure all that fruit is covered in that whipped topping. Next, add a bag of miniature marshmallows, and as much as you like. If you want to switch things up for the Easter holiday, or a fun springtime edition, add the pastel-colored marshmallows for a little pop of springtime colors. Just getting all those marshmallows mixed in well. This fruit salad is so good, and I can't wait to try the different flavors of Jell-O in it. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'd really love to hear from you. And thank you for watching. Click like and share, and watch these videos next.